pretty decent. We have to view these things in context sometimes. So an alternative, so if you really didn't have a pressure washer, you could do a foaming pump sprayer and then this, and it's a really cheap alternative to a pressure washer, but you can kind of feel like you're pressure washing. If this works, this would be super cool. So I was over on TikTok, which a lot of us do, and I saw this contraption, which is like a pressure washer that hooks up to your garden hose, and people were like, oh my gosh, this is perfect for car washing and blah, blah. And I thought, oh my gosh, could this be better than a pump sprayer? Could this be perfect for those of you that are looking for a pressure washer but don't want to invest in all of that? So I decided to pick one up, and what I'm really interested in is, can you hook up a foam cannon to it? It has a quick release for different tips and stuff like that. So what I wanted to see is, can you actually hook it up to a foam cannon? And so I'm gonna get a little bucket of soap going for something I want to do a little bit later in the video. But as you can see, that's the stream without a tip, which is actually not bad. It's actually not too bad. So it comes with a couple different tips, and then I pulled out a couple tips. I think that one's mine. I think it came with this one and this one, the 0 degrees. So let's do the 40 degree first. What is this? This is 25 and 30. Was that 30? 15. All right, let's do the 40 degree tip first. And what's really nice is, I mean, it's brass, which isn't great, but it does the job. Let's see. Okay. I definitely would say this is not awesome power, but it does give you the fan spray. Definitely would not be able to do that in front of a pressure washer, but it does give you a pressure washer-esque spray pattern, and honestly probably better than a lot of spray nozzles, right? So that was the 40 degree. Let's do this one, is the 15 degree tip. Let's see how this one works. And it has just this really easy on-off nozzle. Oh gosh, that's a little rough. So that's 15 degree tip. I actually like on a pressure washer because I don't have to reach as far. So this is pretty uneventful. All right, 15 degree, that's that. Let's see, which one did we do? Did we already do this one? 25? Shoot, I don't know if we did. All right, 25 degree, I think we did. No, I think we did that yellow one. 25 degree, again, giving you the spray pattern, but not, is this gonna get water off the car? It will, but what I'm interested in is, and this is the 0 degree, right? Yeah. What I'm interested in is, does it actually help get the soap off the car better? Oh, all right, there we go. There's some pressure for you. Not that you would want to wash your car like this, but this is actually a better stream than a lot of nozzles, and you don't have to hold it down. So this could work a little bit. This is probably the best one yet. Again, it's not gonna hurt you. It's not a ton of power, but this one actually might work. But what I wanted to do is, so that one's probably the best, other than, what about just no tip? No tip is actually giving you the most flow. And honestly, I almost like it better than a for at least car washing. I actually kind of like it better than a garden hose setup. I like that. All right, let me get my mitt on a stick, like I'm gonna actually be washing the car, put some suds on it and see how it does for sud removal. And we'll start with the, let's start with the red, 0 degree. Let's see how it does. Then we'll kind of switch it up through. All right, 0 degree. All right, probably not my favorite way to do it, but again, I think we have to view these things in context sometimes. So an alternative, and I'll do the foam cannon test at the very end, but you know, this is better than, if you don't have a pressure washer, obviously I thought it might be a pressure washer, not replacement, but a really good replacement. I'm not sure that it's even going to be a good pressure washer replacement, but maybe for some people it might be. All right, this is the 40-degree tip. Obviously, you got to be a little closer. That's pretty decent. That's pretty decent. Is it a good alternative? I guess that's what I'm looking for. The holy grail would be if it works with the foam cannon. I want to save that for last. I haven't even tried it. All right, this is the 25-degree tip. I think this is a decent, again, if you don't have a pressure washer, you just are washing at home, is it better than a nozzle? That's what I'm looking for. Is it better than a regular squeeze garden hose nozzle? All right, this is the 15, I think we said. And I think, yeah, this isn't gonna be as good. Pressure really drops. And this is just regular city water garden hose. This is nothing, this is not running through my deionized water tanks at all either. So, it's straight city water. So you can see this was significantly worse. You would not want to do that. Would not want to do the 25-degree, which makes me think this yellow one's going to be even worse too. This is the 40 or 15. What is this? 15. Let's see. Let's get it sudsed up again. Let's see how the 15-degree one goes. Yeah. Going to be more time consuming. So with the lower pressure, I guess you want the bigger fan. So for me with the pressure washer, I like this tip because I could stand further back with the stubby nozzle and reach into stuff like the fenders and, you know, if I'm doing an engine or something like that. But it's very powerful when it's teamed up with the pressure washer. But with this thing, it's not. So I think the best one was the white at 40 degrees. I think this is the best tip for this thing. Again, I think there might be I think this is a replacement for a crappy garden hose nozzle that always breaks. I don't think it's a replacement for a pressure washer, but I think this is the best tip if you're gonna do it. So if you really didn't have a pressure washer, you could do a foaming pump sprayer and then this, and it's a really cheap alternative to a pressure washer, but you can kind of feel like you're pressure washing. And honestly, with this 40-degree tip, I mean, it's not terrible. It's really not terrible for just a garden hose and connecting it right to your garden hose. What I really wanted to see though, because this would be, so that's what I'd recommend. The 40, that's the one that's the best. So this is a pressure washer foam cannon, and what I want to see is, does it work? If this works, this would be super cool. This is, here we go. Dang it. All right, that's turned all the way up. I mean, it'll get foam on the car. Pretty terrible. You got to be pretty much all the way up. I mean, if you compare it to a foaming pump sprayer, I guess, but it's pretty much dribbling out. It would be better. It is producing better foam than a garden hose foam cannon. I don't know how you're going to get that on a side panel on a car, but it does produce better foam than a garden hose foam cannon. So that's kind of cool. Maybe if I upped my foam ratio and then you switch over to the 40 degree nozzle, rinse it off. Okay. Definitely not my most favorite way to do it, but if you're looking, again, for a really cheap way to get some foam on your car and replicate kind of a pressure washer, I think this is an option. This is definitely an option. I like this 40-degree nozzle. I think it works, gets it off, especially if your car was like ceramic coated or something like that, you could definitely get it off. Obviously using something like the Super Soaper is gonna be your best friend, but I think this is an option. I think that's as far as I would go. This is an option, easy to use, works right out of the box. Obviously it's not giving you big thick foam, but I think this 40-degree nozzle is definitely where it's at. And it might beat the pay and spray place, and then you could do it at home. But not bad, the 40 degrees good. I think the 0 degree, which is kind of cool, is an option if you want like a steady stream. You know, if you wanted to all of a sudden switch and start watering your concrete or something like that. But I think for most people, for car detailing purposes, this 40 degree would be perfect for you. And again, it's just an alternative. It's just something easy and quick. So, I don't know. Just kind of wanted to share that. I thought it was cool. I thought it was an interesting tool. Wanted to see, obviously it always looks better online than when you get it, but I think paired with the right products too, it's an option. How about that? So just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm just kind of messing around with stuff in the garage today. Wanted to show you that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, have you tried this or have you seen it and wondered about it? I don't know, cool little tool. So, all right, I'll link it below, the one I bought, and I'll also link below all the Jimbo's detailing products. If you're looking for a new soap, ceramic spray, anything like that, I will link everything below to all the links on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. See ya.